In this video, we are going to look at a simple approach to teaching with Teams that we call Easy Street. Communicating synchronously is intuitive and simple in Teams. In the Post section of any channel, click on the New Conversation button, type in your message and click on the Send button. You can also click on the Format button where you can make your communications look more eye-catching and embed other apps, files and tools into any conversation post. To start a live meeting in your team, click on the Meet button over on the top right hand side. Choose Schedule a Meeting if you want to schedule one, or Meet Now. You can also use the calendar icon over on the left hand side to do this. You can just post content onto any team as you see fit, or you can use the Files tab. To use Files, click on the Files tab and then you can either upload content here, create new content, or simply drag and drop it in from any folder. Any files and folders you add to the Class Materials folder are read-only, so your students can see them but not edit them. Any files you add outside of this folder are fully collaborative, with all members having access to edit in real time. You can also structure your course and content better using channels. To create a channel, click on the three dots next to the name of your team and create Channel. To further organise your channel, you can create new tabs at the top, which you can link to specific files and apps. For assessment and feedback, use the Assignments tab. You can use this for any work you assign, both formative and summative. Click Create and then Assignment. Fill in all the options, and then if you want to give your students a copy of a file that they will edit themselves in real time, you can. When your students come to work on the assignment, you'll be able to see them working in real time, even before they have submitted it. We have a full in-to video on creating and using assignments, link in the description below.